In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another link to Linktree. Let's get started right from your Linktree account. First, open your browser and log into your Linktree. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the control center where you manage everything your visitors see when they click your Linktree bio link. From here, look for the section or tab labeled Links. This is usually clearly visible in the main navigation. Go ahead and click on Links. This takes you to the page where all of your existing links are listed and where you'll be adding your new one. On the links page, you'll see an option to add something new. Look for a button or icon that says Add. Click on Add to start creating a new item for your Linktree. After you click Add, you'll be given a few choices of what you can add. In this case, you want to create a standard link, so select the option labeled Link. This tells Linktree that you're adding a regular URL, like a website, a store page, a YouTube video, or any other online destination. Next, you'll see a search bar. Start typing the link type or platform you want to add. For example, you might type something related to the kind of link you're adding. As you type, Linktree may suggest templates or options that match what you're looking for. When you see the correct option appear in the results, simply click on it. This helps pre-fill or structure your new link in a way that works best with that type of content. Now you'll customize how the link appears. Click on the field labeled Title. This is the text people will see on your Linktree button, so choose something clear and enticing. Type in the final title you want to use, such as New Blog Post, Shop My Store, or Watch My Latest Video. Make sure it's short, descriptive, and easy to understand at a glance. Next, click on the field labeled URL. This is where the actual web address goes. Carefully type or paste the full URL of the page you want people to visit. Double check for any typos, because if the URL is incorrect, visitors may hit an error page. Finally, look for the toggle switch next to your new link. Click on the toggle to turn it on. When it's active, this adds the link to your live Linktree so your audience can see and click it immediately. If you ever want to hide it, you can simply switch this toggle off again. And that's it. You've successfully added another link to your Linktree.